This world get as it be. This life get as it be. Some people that has committed a lot of atrocities. Some people that have committed a lot of abominable acts. Some people that will bring out what they call it, juju, and bring out a womb of an animal and stamp it now. Wumbu madu na destroy your life. Somebody got copy picture madu. That way ya tinye na juju. We all come chako. Tinye chanda na go no manke wunke. People that we are dancing. Aga me butere ginama. Aga me butere ginama. Aga me butere ginama. We have someone stated that Ogechi. Na ya bapula me egbe. Tinye mo kunishi. Me mu juju. Somebody that will come out boldly online and state it clear that now any woman in Choro go with 77 pin, go money and a private party, go get deceive women. Somebody that is proud to do juju to destroy her fellow women womb. Somebody who will come out on social media and advise our young girls that the only way and the true way out is to deceive women in a deceitful manner. Somebody that has committed a lot of impunities. Don't worry when I go back to US. When I return back to my base. Somebody who has the audacity. Somebody who has the temerity, the audacity, the impetus to do what? Come out live and declare Naemere her fellow woman never to have a child again. Na ogegana dibia. Na ge make sure. Na ge tinegi na ozu nda alamajiri. Nda wosabu giganwo is now crying that Ogechi is supporting Soludo, is rejoicing that Soludo is clearing all the impurities and all the atrocities that in the Dibia. Talking that Ogechi have a standing case. I don't have no case with nobody, including you and your generation. I don't have no case with you. You have case with yourself, but Ogechi making very, very soon. Not going on a case with yourself, because when the journey will get tougher, you will understand and it was shame. Don't worry. You see that your 15 minutes fame, that your buga, I will crush. I'm a crush. Just wait on one bogey. And that is somebody that came out on this blue app, walking like a lunatic. After going to salon and sign a contract with them and borrowing rubbish every morning, every afternoon, you will come out with no talent, no ambition. You just have to imitate me. You just have to run an NGO. You don't just to imitate me. You want to step on me and cry one day. If you don't have the grace, there is nothing I can imitate that stands. That is the bone of contention here. Somebody who nothing cannot even stand and speak a profound English, cannot even define nothing. Na be with Ogechi on because na lelu na lelu uza losan ka la uza losan ke wetiri mo no awonye putrana, why are you jubilating on our crimes and arrest? I will jubilate, I will speak on it, because you know today don't they start the campaign. I will jubilate, I will celebrate, I will bring more videos that Soludo have not seen. I have to put an end to this impunity, because I won't go to Gendene Malo, Ndena Bongoto, Nde Jerusalem, your Lord, Nde Jerusalem, you need to deceive our youth, Nde Jerusalem, you need witness something that is very, very malicious in nature, something that is very dubious, something that all of us should come out and put an end to it. How about the same idiot? If you bring our children, let them rest in peace. You will hear, come on, shut up, you're nothing. You have committed more atrocities that people should look into your bullshit. And I call you. To who it may concern. when I did not mention no names, but Onye Maryam, that's the same person that came out and said the Ubowa. That is the same person that came out trying to come and justify the atrocity Akwa has committed because of Ogechi saying it. I will say it, I will sit on it, I will shit on it, I got me. One Onya, Iparawagwa cannot get ike. A man's ike. Iparawagwa cannot one is you take you today, you I swear with anything that I hold. Matana, you have touched the lion tail. Makachimbarage. Ashiyoji, Onyeji, you will drop it massively. Just gonna take some time. I will not bow to any bagger. You only the right that you are jubilating, you have case. I don't have no case to answer to no bagger. You have to answer a case for being proudly to women people, to destroy people's womb, to advise our youth to go into prostitution through Kayamata. Even more case to answer to the government than questioning Ogechi. That Ogechi will stand and tell all of you that what you guys are doing are wrong. Even more case to answer because you have committed a lot of atrocity, which I will start bringing out more evidence when I get back to the States. You want to go? So, if you are not happy that I'm standing with Soludo, our governor, and put an end to this mad atrocity, our children has been killed. Majority of our children, human pass. Because when you make you are supporting your fellow atrocities. You're supporting your flood bloodshed. Too hot on this blow up. Just mark my words. I choose my fight. And when I fight, I finish you. Poison. Stupid things everywhere.